Imagine a world without clocks. How would we know when to wake up or when to sleep? How would farmers know when to plant their crops? Timekeeping has been important to civilizations for thousands of years. Ancient people needed ways to track time. They looked to the sky. The sun and stars helped them tell time. But what about cloudy days or nights? They needed a different way to measure time. That's where the water clock comes in. Water clocks, also called clepsydra, were one of the earliest timekeeping devices. They didn't rely on the movement of celestial bodies. Instead, they used the steady flow of water to measure the passage of time. Let's journey back in time to ancient Egypt and Greece to explore the fascinating world of water clocks. The ancient Egyptians were masters of water management. They used the Nile River for everything from agriculture to transportation, so it's no surprise that they also figured out how to use water to tell time. The earliest evidence of water clocks comes from Egypt. Archaeologists have found remnants of these ingenious devices dating back to the 16th century BC. Egyptian water clocks were simple but effective. They were typically made from stone. They had a small hole near the bottom. Water would slowly drip out of the hole. Markings on the inside of the container indicated the time as the water level dropped. Egyptians used water clocks for various purposes. They used them to tell time at night. Priests used them to determine the hours for religious rituals. Officials used them to allocate work shifts fairly. From Egypt, the concept of the water clock spread to other parts of the ancient world. The Greeks, known for their ingenuity and advancements in science and technology, adopted the clepsydra and made significant improvements to its design. They made them more accurate. Greek clepsydras often featured multiple vessels and intricate systems of pipes and valves to regulate the flow of water. They added features like dials and pointers. This made them easier to read. One notable example is the Tower of the Winds in Athens, which housed a large and complex water clock. Philosophers like Plato even used water clocks in their studies. Plato designed a water clock alarm system to summon his students to his academy. The water clock may seem like a simple device today, but it played a crucial role in the development of timekeeping technology. It paved the way for more precise timekeeping methods. The invention of mechanical clocks centuries later owes a debt to the humble clepsydra. Water clocks were essential tools for ancient civilizations. They allowed for greater precision in daily life, religious practices, and scientific observations. Today, water clocks are a fascinating reminder of the ingenuity of our ancestors. Studying them gives us insights into their daily lives and the challenges they overcame. So the next time you glance at your watch or phone to check the time, take a moment to appreciate the long and fascinating history of timekeeping that began with a simple but ingenious device, the water clock.